Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with y'all my penny shopping haul. We have new visuals, new UPC codes, and new items. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. And while you're at it, do me a huge favor. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first up, just a quick friendly reminder that I have already uploaded 2 other Dollar General videos for you all this week, so if you missed out on either one of those, make sure that you go and check them out, and I will have them linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Alright guys, so I am back from Dollar General. Today is Tuesday, penny shopping day. We have all of our fall items have now pennied out. The date is December the 20th, 2022, and this is probably one of my best hauls ever. So I cannot wait to share with y'all what all I found. This is just the first setup, so once we get done with these items, I'm going to do a little rearranging and show you all some more items, so make sure that y'all stay tuned until the end, because some of these items really didn't stand out to me as fall items. I just picked them up and they said F22 or had a tag on them or whatever. So again, just make sure that y'all stay tuned until the end. Now, I'm going to run through, show you guys the products, and then I will pop up the UPC code on the screen for you all. So let's go ahead and jump right in, shall we? So we're going to start off in the middle here. I found a whole box of the little wax melts. We've got the Pikes Peak and Porch Giving scents, and there was a whole box just sitting right there on the shelf for me. So I was like, hey, yes please. I think these were originally $1 each, so I really scored on that one. We also have these Pikes Peak candles. Now there are 2 different styles. So we've got this one right here, and then we also have the ones with the silver lids. So again, you guys make sure that you all are checking your regular candle section. I also picked up a few of these little tea lights right here. We've got the yellow, and we have the red or pink, maroon, whatever you want to call it. So I found a total of 5 of those. A couple of the little placemats here, pumpkin on there. That's what you want to be on the lookout for, is the Perfect Harvest tags. Alright, next up, I did find a couple of the fabric pumpkins, which I was very surprised. So there you go. There's the little red Perfect Harvest tag that you want to be on the lookout for. Now, up next, here were a couple of surprises. I found this awesome little glass vase. So, very cool. It's kind of a matte finish on there. So again, this one didn't really stand out to me as a fall item, but it does have the F22 there, and I'll pop up a picture so that it will focus in there for you. But very cool. I found this back in the home section with all the other vases. Here was another one, this little green vase. I believe I had found this one before and put this in with the penny list video. All right, next up, I found the red and the yellow vases that are just like this. So I found 2 of the red ones and then 3 of the yellow ones right over there. Alright, I did find quite a few of the floral arrangements. Again, you just have to kind of get back there, look for these kind of tags. Now the ones with the green tags, those were still scanning at full price for me, but you just never know. If you see a F22, go ahead and scan it. You never know what you're going to find. But I did find quite a few of these. I really like the vases on these. So even if I don't keep the flowers in there, great little vases. And then moving on to the back here, I did find a few of the signs. So we've got the Hello Fall sign right there. I know we've all seen that one out and about. And then I did find 2 of the larger signs. Now I found these stuck back in with all of the picture frames and the canvases. I was trying to find those canvases that I had included in the penny list video. So if you guys found any of those, please let me know, because I'm thinking that my store probably didn't even carry them to begin with. But I did find the big, huge, thankful sign right there. So that was an amazing find. And really what gave this one away was I saw the little leaf sticking out up there, and I grabbed it. And then I found this harvest sign, big stand-up sign, so super happy with those. And then the last thing is over here. We have another little floral arrangement in these cute little baskets. And the tag right there is one of those Perfect Harvest tags. Alright guys, so setup number 2, and then we've got one more after this. So again, I'm just going to run through the items, and I'll pop up the UPC codes on your screen for you all so that it will be in focus. Now, I went to 2 different stores this morning, and I really lucked up. Check this out. I found all 3 sizes of the wooden trays. These were originally $10, $8, and $6 each, and I didn't even realize that I had picked up found all 3 sizes until I was making this video and putting everything together. I'd actually found 2 of them at the first store that I went to, and then I found the 3rd one at the second store. And I for some reason, I was thinking I definitely have the big one, either 2 of the medium ones or 2 of the small ones, but I was missing one. But turns out I wasn't, and I did find all 3 sizes. So that was definitely some good luck in play this morning for that find. Next up, we've got some candles. So we've got the Happy Harvest Amazing Amber. These all were found in the regular candle section. We've got the little frosted glass candle. This one does say F22 on the bottom, but I thought that was a pretty good find. Now this big one right here, originally $10. It does not have the F22 on the bottom, but if you take a look at the label right there, it's cozy flannel, definitely a fall item. So again, scan, scan, scan. If you're not sure if it's a fall item, scan it to make sure. Next up, here's another item that really didn't stand out to me as fall because it does have pink flowers in the top and a random yellow flower right there and a random pumpkin. But if you take a look at the tag, it does have the Perfect Harvest tag. So I was really happy to find that one as well. Now, in my penny list video, I did include pictures of these vases, but they were red. So if you guys are out and about, be on the lookout for these black, possibly a blue tint glass vase. These do say F22 on the bottom. So yeah, I found 2 of those. And then I also looked up and found 2 of the candlestick holders. So these were originally $14 each. And I think these could be definitely go for Christmas decor as well. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. But I looked up and found 2 of those, and they were the same size. I believe these are the smallest ones. All right. And then one of the main items that I wanted to pick up this morning, I was really crossing my fingers hoping that they did not pull this item because there was only 1 left. I've only found 1 in my entire county, and that was the bread box. So I was really happy that they did not pull that item. I was also on the lookout for the little black milk cans, but somebody had already snagged that one. So anyways, I'm super happy with what I found. And then I found 2 of the Hello Fall signs. So this does have the little little beaded hanger right there. Fall floral arrangement. Now this one doesn't have the regular Perfect Harvest tags on it, but at the bottom it does say F22. And this is another like concrete or something. It's a very, very heavy base. Alright guys, so now we're at our 3rd and final setup, and then I'm just going to add some pictures on the end for you guys to check out. So we've got a few more items to go over. I believe I included this plate in the penny list video because I did find this at one of my stores last week. So this is just a charger plate, but it is a fall item. And then I also found this round white placemat. It does have the Fall Harvest, the Perfect Harvest price tag there on it. Another awesome find were the Perfect Harvest baskets. Now these were up on the top shelf in with the Christmas items. So I found the larger one and the smaller one, and actually another penny shopper pointed these out to me. So very, very thankful for that, because I probably would have walked right by them. But she had already found her a set, so she was, you know, just paying it forward. So I really do appreciate that. Now, also, I found there's a few more of those little floral things that we already went over. The yellow vase down there at the bottom, it's a lantern. You can put a candle in it or whatever. I'll pop up the UPC code on the screen. And then I found a ton, I mean an absolute ton of the little single flowers. Let me see if I can grab one back here. So go through your regular flower section back there in the home section. I found an absolute ton of these. I have a whole basket, or a whole bag. Let me see. I actually bought the bag in order to put all of these flowers in, and that's not even half of it. I have a whole nother big pink bag out in the car, so I'll have to insert a picture or something because there's no way I can go through all of these, but just look through there, find the green tags. It looks to me like all of those are scanning at 1 penny now. However, there are some tags that look light green or almost a tan color. Those are full price, okay? And they do say artistry design. So just be careful. Pay attention when you go up to the register. If you don't go through and scan every single one of them to make sure before you go up to the register. I had one whenever I got up there that did scan at full price, and she just took it off. Now, I did end up giving a lot of these flowers, the single flowers, to the cashiers that were working this morning. One was going to use them for her son's graveside, so I was glad to give some of these away. I don't know what I'm going to do with all of them, but she took quite a few, so I was very happy with that. But I still have an absolute ton, so just be on the lookout. Some of these don't even look like fall flowers. We've got green, pink, blue. Again, I'll insert some pictures for you guys to check out. But yeah, that is my haul. Now, I'm going to have to tally everything up and give you guys a final number at the end on how many items I found. Alright guys, now I seem to be missing one of my receipts, so I'm just going to do a quick rough estimate and say that I picked up about 170 penny items today. Now a lot of those are the flowers, but that is okay. This is still by far one of the biggest and best penny hauls for me to date. So I am super, super excited about it. I found a lot of the items that I was really crossing my fingers and hoping that the employees would not pull from the shelves, so I couldn't be happier. Now, I want to know, how did you guys do today? Did you go penny shopping, or did you pick up all of the items that you wanted to pick up last week at 90% off? But let me know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to send me in pictures of your fall harvest hauls, whether it be 90% off, 70% off, or a penny haul, you can always send it to my email, which is crazycoupons1@gmail.com, or you can send it to me over on Instagram, and all of my contact information will be down in the pinned comment below. Alright guys, so I guess that's going to be it for me for now. Up next, we should have some 5 off $25 scenarios, so be on the lookout for that. And before you go, if you're not already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that big red subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.